Dear friends, in this video we will see how one-way ANOVA, one-way analysis of variance is performed through analysis tool of Excel. To understand it, we have to open an Excel sheet. Here Excel sheet is open as shown on the screen. Here data of 4 groups of the students are given. What is it? Let us understand it first. Method is independent variable and it has 4 levels. CPL is first level, that is computerized program learning, then online teaching method, then group discussion method, then assignment method. 4 groups of the students are taught a certain unit of science by 4 different methods, and after that their achievement test was conducted, and scores of all the students are shown here in 4 groups. Each group has 12 students. Now remember, independent variable is method, it has 4 levels, and dependent variable is achievement of the students in science. If only one variable, independent variable is there, and 2 or more levels of that variable are there, then analysis of variance can be used to check the significance of difference between the means of different groups. One way means single independent variable. How to perform it? Before starting analysis tool, we must remember data range. Our data range starts from B1 in this sheet, B1, and ends at E13. So this is our data range. Remember friends, while deciding data range in analysis tool, we have to include all the cell addresses in which the headings are given. So headings are given in B1, B, C1, D1 and E1, and these all cell will be the part of our data range. So data range, again we have to remember that B1 to E13. After entering data, to start analysis tool, we have to click on data tab that is given at the uppermost side of the sheet. Follow the cursor, here data tab is given. Click on data tab. As soon as you press data tab, then you will get data analysis button at the upper right side of the screen. Follow the cursor, upper right side, data analysis button. We have to click on data analysis button. After clicking data analysis button, we will get this box in which names of different analysis tools are given, which are used for statistical analysis in Excel. Out of these leads, these names, at the top name of ANOVA single factor is given. That is tool for one-way analysis of variance. Single factor means only one independent variable. We have to select it, and after selecting it, we have to click on OK button. As soon as we press OK button, then we will get this box. In this box, in first box, we have to write the data range. Our data range is B1 to E13. But remember, in analysis tool, whenever you write data range, then you start with $sign. You have to frequently use $sign while writing cell address or data range. Here we have to write B1 to E13, so we'll start with $sign, $B, $1. This is B1. Then we have to press colon, then E13. So we'll start with $E, then $13. We have entered here data range. After that, 2 options are given, columns and rows. It says that if data are given in columns, then you have to select columns. Our data are there in columns, so we don't have to change it. Already columns is selected. If the data are given in rows, then we have to select rows. After that, one button is given, there labels in first row is written. It means data analysis tool. Excel asks us whether you have given column headings or not. Labels means column headings. So we have given column headings. So we click it, we select it. After that, alpha level is given 0.05. By default it is given. It means we are going to check our hypothesis at 0.05 level. If we want to check our hypothesis at 0.01 level, then we have to make change here. But we are not changing it because we are going to check our hypothesis at 0.05 level. After that, three options are given. Out of these three, we have to select option number 1. That asks output range, means from which cell you want a result of one-way analysis of variance. I want result starts from G1. So I will write here $G $1. After writing it, we have to click on OK button. As soon as we press OK button, then we will get the results related to one-way analysis of variance, and results started from G1. What are there in these results? Let us understand. For that, we will transfer these results in another place, and we'll try to understand. Here, as shown on the screen, two tables are given for ANOVA single factor. First table is summary, that shows the primary calculations that is required for analysis of variance. In first table, 5 columns are given: groups, count, sum, average, and variance. 4 groups are there in first column, and which information are given, let us understand. In this table, first line, the measures related with CPL, computerized program learning material, are given. First, count a number of observation tails, then sum of the observations 484, then the average of the scores of the students 40.333, and then variance of the scores of the students 112.242. In this way, in second line, the information regarding the scores of the students who were taught by online method are given: count, sum, average, and variance. In third line, information based on the scores of the students who were taught by group discussion method are given: count, sum, average, and variance. After that, in last line of this table, last row of this table, information regarding the results based on scores of the students who were taught by assignment method are given: count, sum, average, and variance. After that, summary of ANOVA is given in second table. That is written, and in that 7 columns are there: source of variation, SS means sum of square, DF means degree of freedom, MS means mean of sum of square, then F calculated, then P value is given, that is calculated, then F critical is given. In first column, source of variation between groups, within groups, and total are given. Between groups means the source of variation is our independent variable, that is method. Analysis tool will give the result in this way only, but in place of between groups we have to write method. We can change it and it will not make any change in the results. We write here method because it is our independent variable. Then within groups is given, then total is given, then sum of squares of method in second column is given, 991.729. In the same way, sum of squares of within groups and sum of squares for total is given. These all the calculations were done by analysis tool. Then after that, in second column, DF is given. First df is 3. How this 3 has been obtained? To understand it, let us see. This df 3 is the df of method. How it is got? So the formula of df for method is given. See here, df of method equals to k minus 1, where k is number of groups, that is 4, that we know. So df of method is 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So 3 has come from this way, in this way. Now df of within groups. df of within groups is 44. How it is obtained? Let us see. df of within groups equals to n minus k. K we know, number of groups, that is 4, and n means number of observations, total observations, that is 48, because 4 groups are there and each group has 12 observations. So n is 48. So df of within groups equals to 48 minus 4, that is 44. Then 47, df of total. How it is got? So df of total equals to n minus 1, as shown on the screen, where n is 48, and so df of total is 48 minus 1, that is 47. Now in fourth column, ms is given. Ms means mean of sum of square. See, first line method, sum of square, df and ms. ms means mean of sum of square. How it is got? So ms is obtained by dividing the ss of method by df of method. ss of method 991.729 is divided by df of method 3, and we get here 330.576. That is ms of method. How ms of within groups is obtained? So here again, ss of within groups is divided by df of within groups. ss of within groups is 3870.083. It is divided by df of within groups, that is 44, and we get here 87.956. After that, in fifth column, f value is given 3.758. That is f calculated. That is calculated by analysis tool based on our data. This is called f calculated. F obtained 3.758. Then p value, probability value, that is also calculated by analysis tool based on our data, and that is 0.017. Then f critical is given. F critical means f table value for df 3 and 44. This table value is expected minimum value according to f table for significance at 0.05 level if df are 3 and 44, 3 of method and 44 of within groups. Now, how to check the hypothesis, how to take decision about hypothesis? For that we have to use either f value or probability value. First we check our hypothesis with the help of probability value. Probability value calculated is 0.017. To take the decision about hypothesis with the help of p value, we have to remember that a p value, probability value is, calculated probability value is between 0.01 and 0.05. Then hypothesis is rejected at 0.05 level. Second, if probability value is less than 0.01, then hypothesis is rejected at 0.01 level. Third, if probability value is greater than 0.05, then hypothesis is not rejected. Let us see what happens here. Here p value is 0.017, that is less than 0.05, so and not less than 0.01. So hypothesis is rejected at 0.05 level, and it is concluded that there is significant effect of teaching method on the achievement of the students in science. Now we check hypothesis with the help of F value. For that we have to compare F critical and F calculated. F critical is 3.758 and F critical is 2.816. To take decision regarding the hypothesis, we have to compare these two, and in that we have to remember that if F calculated is greater than F critical, then hypothesis is rejected at 0.05 level. Why here 0.05? Because we have decided our alpha level 0.05. So here F critical, F calculated 3.758 is greater than F critical, so hypothesis is rejected at 0.05 level. Friends, here you have seen that hypothesis is rejected by using F value or P value. We don't have to check the hypothesis by using both the values. On the basis of any one value you can check the hypothesis, but analysis tool gives both the values in the results of one-way ANOVA. Friends, in this way we have learned how one-way analysis of variance is performed through analysis tool of Excel. In next video we will see how two-way analysis of variance is done with the help of analysis tool of Excel. Till then, goodbye.